Chapter flow. So we're looking at how we are going to study the topic. So first we'll start off with introduction. So this is an extra bit that I'll be doing so as to understand the topic better. So I'll be doing a practical. Okay. So this is must for everyone to do with me. I'll show you how to do it. So same thing has to be done from your end, and we'll observe, we'll tabulate, and we'll conclude. So conclusion is from my end, but yes, up to that point you have to do it. Okay. So that's my advice. Then we look at uses as usual. So every topic we're looking at the uses. After that, you start off with something called as trigonometric ratios. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. There are 3 plus 3. So these 3 are the main ones, and the other 3 are like substitute or supplementary of or inverse of the first 3. Then there's something that once you understand this, then this will make sense. Then we are looking at trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. That here we'll be looking at a table. Okay. So this table, you just have to learn one of the rows, and everything else will be uh, everything else can be derived from that row. Okay. So this too is simple. It's just 6 values. And in that 0, 1 and half is already there. So this is easy to remember. There are 2 more values that you need to remember. Okay. So they're not 6 values. There are only 5 values. 0, half and 1. And there are 2 more values which I'll be showing it to you later. So there is one fun thing which I'm going to teach you do with this understanding. Projectile motion. So I think I should let it be. Once you come to this point, I think you will understand what I'm talking about over here. So I don't want to spoil the surprise. Then we have trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles are angles which add up to 90 degrees. This too is an easy topic. From here till here, it's very easy and you guys can learn it at one go. Okay. So once you memorize all of this and once you understand very thoroughly all of this, then please do trigonometric identity. I always do this. Once only when all of my students understand from here to here, right? A to Z, introduction to till complementary angles. Only then I do trigonometric identity. Because trigonometric identity per se is a bit difficult topic. Okay, there are 3 formulas. Identity is nothing but formulas. The 3 formulas that you need to know. So that itself is a bit tough, and on that it is a combination of complementary angles, so on and so forth. Okay, so it is different topics will be used in this problem. So it's not that easy. I can promise you it's not easy. So my advice is learn from here to here. Take few days break, a week break. Keep learning the whatever you have to memorize from the previous topic, and only then you start off with trigonometric identity. Okay. So if you want to memorize the identity, you can. I've shown the derivation. It's not derivation is very simple. The usage is difficult. Okay. So again, practicals, you have to do it. Okay. And there's a small surprise over here. And before doing trigonometric identity, please do other topics. Only then start off with trigonometric identity. Other topics, when I tell do it, I mean to say understand to an extent wherein you can answer any complicated questions.